name is Pramit. Today we'll give you a short demo on MCP. We'll build a very simple MCP server and call the deploy tools from Cloud Desktop. So stay tuned.
So first, go to Google and search for Cloud Desktop, and you go here. And based on your system, you download the software and get it installed. First, go to command prompt and install MCP. For my system, MCP is already installed. Then you have to type uh, ipicon init my first MCP. So, yeah, with this, the my first MCP project will be initialized and it will be saved in your computer. So now you come to VS Code and go inside your project folder, my first MCP. This after that you type this command uv add MCP CLI. This command installs the MCP library along with its CLI extras and adds it to your project's dependencies. Since I have already run it before, running it again doesn't change anything. Okay, so let us have a small walkthrough of the code. I said expense tracker using first MCP. It saves your expense, remembers them the next time, and gives you total by category or month. Let's check it out. So in the first step, we import first MCP, date and time, JSON, and few helpers. Then we create our MCP server called expense tracker and set a file name expenses.json where all our spendings will be persisted. In step two, we create two helpers, the load expenses and the save expenses. In load expenses, it actually loads data from the file and makes some sample expenses if it is empty. And in save expense, it writes the expenses back to the file. In step three, we got four MCP tools. Add expenses adds a new record with category, date, and amount. List expense, see everything you have recorded. Totals by category, total spending or for each one category. Total by month, it totals spending in a specific month and year. And in the last mcp.run starts the server so client can use these tools. That's it. Simple, persistent expense tracking with just a few lines of Python. So after your main.py is updated with this code, you can go to your command prompt and type this. This command registers your MCP server that is inside the main.py with MCP, so it can be run or tested using MCP tools. It's like saying, "Hey MCP, here is my server. Remember it, so that we can run it later." So now you come to your Cloud Desktop and go to your file settings, and in the developer tab you can see the expense tracker is running. This is the path of the Python file from where the tools are being fetched. Okay, now we go to new chat. You can see here the expense tracker is coming. disable all the tools, and let us try to ask a question. Because it doesn't have access to the tools, it's not able to answer those questions. Now let us enable all the tools. Ask the same question again. Okay, so it is fetching all the data from the JSON file and giving you the result. Now let us add one more expense. Say a log a grocery expense of 450 rupees on 13th August. So it's going to the add expense tool and it's logged on. So let me go back to the JSON. You can see grocery expense 13th August 450 rupees is added here. So it's working as we expect. Um, yeah, so maybe we can just try to fetch by asking this question. Okay, so now the grocery of 450 is able to extract from the August month expense.